Here's another quick tutorial of a chicken yassa that I'm gonna show y'all how to cook. First, we're just gonna be frying our potatoes, and once it is golden brown like this, you could just take them out, put them on the side. So once you finish doing that, you have to fry your chicken and make sure your chicken is well seasoned with all the seasonings that you have. Main seasoning is the yellow mustard and the black pepper. And once it's golden brown like this, as you can see, take them out, put them on the side, and then make sure you take out the crumbs that's left on the hot oil. And that's right there is their onions with parsley, with bell pepper, with black pepper, with garlic, with yellow mustard, jimbo, vinegar, a teaspoon of vinegar. It's based on the amount of onions that you're going to be marinating. As you can see, mix them up together and then let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes prior to you putting it on the putting it in the crock pot. Make sure you put your crock pot and put the oil down in it and let it preheat. And once it's preheat, it will be time for you to go ahead and put in the onions that you already seasoned. Okay? Yeah. So that's the chicken that we fried, put them on the side, and the potatoes that we fried, put them on the side, and the marinated onions. Okay. So once it's preheat, you just go ahead and apply it. Okay, just give it a quick stir and let it marinate. Make sure your stove is on the medium. You don't want your stove to be high. You want it to cook slowly, okay? Now it's time for you to put the fried chicken that you already did inside your crock pot. Okay, so once that is done, it's time for you to put the fried potatoes that you had put on the side into your crock pot so that it could slowly cook all together. Okay. So once that is done, it's cooking on the side. You could go ahead and cook your rice. If you have a rice cooker, you could go ahead and cook your rice. This is broken rice, white rice. And that's the chicken yassa for you. As you can see, go ahead and you cook it for yourself and your family and enjoy. If you haven't subscribed yet, you go ahead and click that subscribe button.